cheers. Wash the Bronco with me. Stay till the end for a hella awkward picture. I'm using Adam's Polishes Graphene Shampoo, Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and the VRT on the vinyl rubber and trim, of course, as well as esoteric insect remover and glass cleaner, and a stool because I'm short. I'm going to be 100% honest and admit the ADHD hit, and I did not take a final result video. I know you guys hate when I do that. But I decided to vacuum the inside and condition the leather too. So instead, you can just see me use my super cool Active 2.3 electric pressure washer with a wall mount setup that I love a lot. The wall mount makes it so much easier to get everything done super fast. The pressure washer in general makes the whole car wash a lot faster. So anyways, it was a super easy car wash, and yay, everything's all clean. Whoop whoop.